Dear friends, COVID 19 has changed the entire tourism scenario. Since last 2.5 months, we all are talking a lot about the COVID 19. By the way, we are not sure whether it's the beginning of COVID 19 in India or we are in the mid of COVID 19 or this is the last stage of COVID 19. But of course, we are very much concerned with our mother stream. We are very much concerned with the survival and revival of tourism. Dear friends, in fact, trust become the modern करेंसी. आज के समय में ट्रस्ट बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट हो गया है. एज अ टूरिस्ट, एज अ ट्रैवल एजेंट, एज अ स्टेक होल्डर or so on, even the government also. So we all are concerned with the trust. Dear friends, for the revival and for the survival of the tourism, I personally feel that the 7S strategy can be very useful. So these 7S stands for, the very first S is called smart host. Smart host means the population, those are into the tourism, and that population may include the travel agent, tour operator. That population may include even the other stakeholders, maybe the hoteliers or so on. So for the smart host, the most important thing is the upskilling or the re-skilling of the things. Due to COVID-19, new protocols are being coming up, and it is the responsibility of the stakeholders to upskill their staff, to reskill their staff, and they have to work in such a manner so that people may have the confidence those are coming to you. So this is called the very first S, stand for smart host, and second one is called the smart guest. Guest is also required to be smart. Of course, the confidence building is important. Guest is very much concerned, and rather he's bit worried about himself. He does not have that confidence which is required to be there. And here the mind management can play an important role. When we talk about the mind management may include your yoga, meditation, self confidence development, and of course this is what we call the self discipline. So to be a tourist, you require to be the self confident as well as self discipline also. We talk about the solo travelers, so all they are important when we talk about the changing taste and the priorities of the tourist. And dear friends, we have to keep in mind the changing pattern of the tourist behavior, or we call it the sometime consumer behavior also. Then the third S stand for secondary destination. Secondary destination says that as a government or as the policy planner, we have to keep contest continuously, we have to constantly work to evolve the new destinations. Of course, people may not love to see Delhi, Agra, Jaipur in India, or they may not like to stay in Colombo or Kandy, or they may not like to stay in Dhaka, or they may not like to stay in Venice or Florence or Rome or so on. So they have to find out some the government and the policy planners or the tourism board have to explore the new tourist destination, and that may be the secondary destination also. Secondary destination means those are not prime destination, tourist destination, because tourist is very much concerned about this social distancing, safety and security. So this is the major issue when we talk about the 7S strategy. Dear friend, the fourth S stand for social media. The social media can play an important role because 80% of the decision makers though they criticize the social media, still they believe on the social media. So the from the company point of view as well as from the tourist point of view, we all have to revive, we all have to develop the digital technology, we have to develop the app based technology, and we have to use aggressively the social media and its impact when we talk about the tourist behavior or consumer behavior. Dear friends, the fifth S, again, which is very important, is sanitization. Sanitization, and I'm talking about the hygiene, not hygiene, rather clinical hygiene. There is a difference between hygiene and clinical hygiene. In COVID-19 period, people are talking about the clinical hygiene, right from entry of the guest into the hotel to the even the breakfast area, even while he checking into the room. So clinical hygiene things, so those protocols and the parameters are different, that also have to be saved upon. And the sixth S, which I personally feel from the customer point of view as well as from the supplier point of view, one has to keep in mind saving based tourism. Saving based tourism means the tourists have the limited money, so he wishes to have the value for the money. Value for the money means whenever whatever he is spending, he wishes to have the value. So if you are a supplier, keep in mind how you can provide the worth, how you can provide the value to the customer. Dear friends, and the seventh, which is the most important one, is the solidarity with the stakeholders. Solidarity with the stakeholders is that no one can live in isolation. It's very difficult to stay alone in COVID 19. So you should have some strategic alliances, you may have some, you know, strategic networking, so that each one of you, each one of stakeholders or the suppliers may have the collaborative effort to get the business. So these are the 7S strategy. One is a smart host, second one is the smart tourist, third one is the we have discussed about the secondary destination, fourth one is the social media, fifth one is the sanitization and clinical hygiene, sixth one is saving based tourism, and seven is the solidarity with the stakeholders. I'm sure there can be so many other S also, but these are the 7S which I have compiled, keeping in mind the different related aspects of tourism. But be sure, be positive, be optimistic. The day would come when the tourism would flourish once again. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.